Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. If you are new to LSSC and you need help adding your crypto to your account, this video is for you. In just a few simple steps, I will show you exactly how to recharge your LSSC wallet the right way. First of all, you need to come on lightsha.com and then log in into your account. Over here, in order to access the deposit or the recharge tab, you need to either click on these three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen, or you can first click on this My tab in the bottom right hand corner, and then you can click on the recharge option. Whichever option you choose, you will be landed here on this recharge page where you will see a bunch of different cryptocurrencies that you can use to recharge your account. Most probably the platform uses a USDT in order to buy their bundle for the scooters. So I would recommend you to either recharge your account with USDT or USDC. For USDT and USDC also, you are going to see a bunch of different options like Polygon TRC20. This one is on Polygon and this one is on ERC20. So if you want to save on the gas fees, stop using this one. You can choose any of these from the three. So let's say you are using USDC in order to recharge your account and you have selected this particular option. Now enter the amount of USDC that you want to deposit, then click on the confirm option. You will be shown this type of QR code, the amount and the deposit address in front of you. So you need to copy this address from here, then open that particular exchange or the wallet in which you have USDC available. You need to select the same network that you have selected in your LightSHA account, which in my case is Polygon. So you need to use this address to paste there, and then you can basically withdraw the money from there, and within just 10 to 15 minutes it will come here in your LightSHA account. So this way you will be able to recharge your LSSC account with crypto. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like it and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.